the ambassador may come out here as a Poleeno Urban YouTube channel. I just want you to be the first to know, say, it's possible Shatta Wale and Militants coming back together to work on a track.
Nobody will show me how I live my life. Streets in I show, but I shop like the police. I think far when money come away. Stay forever, never fade away.
I will stay forever, never fade away by Familiar. Speed up, me speed up, say Ponkobino. Familiar and a denim way by. So when familiar and I did nothing I get a buy, yeah, a bit trendy ye pa. And from there, no. Or my hit by hit, long life. I mean, quad the latest one cry or comfort quad. I mean, the odi baby on point. To me, you know, the be I'm a cast when say familiar is more like sakode a buy. From you hear baby a sakode start here till now. We will be all follow sakode a child. Say beat beer and as a track beer or bells beer. Or in the best. Yeah, or yeah, obia etio because say yeah, sakode abon homoding. Familiar is one of the musicians I will say is and as an artist I will say is also a maintaining sad no track beer or the but to beer especially say kuti anyum kwa dia forget it because on it amrado nyum we you can say traso or the way a brand here but on it amrado e wo nyum bi o si traso what you say Oma na kuti anyum dia oma na kuti anyum dia no wa say no but dey nti na make family asem family over the week no or the Accra fe abawi ase nti ye pese ye ka kire ne say munu yo family yinim say Accra na wo de na bawi ase no nyame be hira ne ye say de wo hira na wo de Ghana din e kostro no mi gidi yezo say oyere no so ene oba no so nyame be ka omo ho na omama wa ho den a da ne da no ote enyum ebebre me yenyem wa say oba no obenyina be rapper na so obeto nyum te se ne papa yente nyum we amrado featuring family one of the dopest track now I mean the bia me tie ntim be say also tie because say yen only the right of the music nti ye bo few lines bi na wetie na also odi a show kutuku na oba YouTube ya o search amrado featuring family twaso obenya bi video very nice video and yen I said, boss, what can I say? Kakre Traswe. Now, so be say Peter, they are Cosway. Charlie, and you know, too dope. YouTube, yeah, all the search. I'm rather featuring from here. Traso, Obenya video, na kama, very nice visual song with the Mai, and I'm rather so a killing the rap. I don't know if yeah, Mami Mounty, I'm rather part and a Kakrebina, and heard the next story available. I said drama. I said best say me compare drama. Charlie, this track no, me say one of the favorite tracks currently trend in Ghana. And say unyan say I'm rather featuring for me. Traswe, just YouTube here search I'm rather featuring for me. Traswe. But the next story near to say Shatta Wale and in the Militants. This story no before me attacking I know saying Kufuri will come at me but the no credit and now they are two and I said they may agree with chairman and maker. If you don't agree with me, don't insult. You can argue but don't insult. Obiti so I share a comment to her say be any able to agree. What I'm saying is say because I know there are some number can go come at me. Shatta Wale and Militants. It's possible they will come back. Yeah, it's possible. 100% possible, or let me say 90% possible. They will come back with a big tune. I'm not saying say a publicity stunt, like I'm saying it's possible they will come back because already interview be a Shatta Wale, I think one white guy be one white man be, or say if say militants say be panachawa or be jomatum Bulldogs so on UTV with Nana Mama Brown so kind the same thing say omo a patch or omo they are chop and for the necessary channel na Shatta ebetimi aje on back. So I know say the possibility of Shatta and militants no coming back no it's a big deal, like it's going to happen. You don't forget say Shatta and or more a ranting on radio, doing Facebook live, saying all sort of things, say mama, a whole lot, like one man or bar, a whole lot. Let's forget about that. But the ambassador come out here as a Poleeno Urban YouTube channel. I just want you to be the first to know, say it's possible Shatta Wale and militants coming back together to work on a track. I'm telling you, the the track is even done. I'm using the word a beer because I don't know. I'm not in the camp. And see what I'm saying is what I think. That's what I started with this video. No, the main dream and I said, my thoughts. Me who said they will come back together and then I'm over together. And so me GD is by now on my track and now I'm over a track. Ediaba. And also I mean as a publicity stunt and more ye. The American answer me GD is a Shatta Wale. And in the militants, they might come back together. Even on delay show, militants for no cancer. We almost say, I'm on a Shatta Wale contract, and yet 5 years contract, and yet 2 years contract, and yet 3 years contract. For life is for life. And you know, for life is for life. You understand? And she said, for life is for life. There, me did he say, Ketrema, ene esen kra omuko. Yeah, omuko omuda baby ba kona. Omu di aduane eda omu nyina di feeling no omoko omoko enti normal say one way or the other no militants betia Shatta na so a Shatta be feel say the hoye mo omu nyina no omani enso enti misunderstanding there it's possible say was say ba and there it's part of life even yawo for kra na say ye nam for fam bia no one way or the other no bit here will now so nice and so we believe say they will come back together. Hi Poleeno Multimedia and Amaka. Media so I'm strong Poleeno there. But another interested be did my time. So on the main yard and I said also join say a basin you can share your thoughts here. Yes, if you actually so the abeshim say Nana Romeo, unim Nana Romeo na ewo Accra FM or hold the mid-morning show. Mid-morning show not I interview musicians any celeb like obi obon homodin wa Ghana membian or interview no. And see Nana Romeo interview when they say even before be interview when they say no. I was senko interview Kiddy. See Kiddy could do late and Nana Romeo ka say and yet the first time a Kiddy yes we the second time to Pamono. This story ya can wa say Opamono and then when he says so call Nana Romeo catch and say fine who promote you on your new 2 years in the industry there but maybe say you clear the way or say when you bullet most ho and when he say guy say on Jin say no how to promote on nenyum no busum pion enyum no na obai say obe promote na wa ma say omo be kan oni bullet asem nti onte na say eno na ngofo we bisa question say Nana Romeo anye professional to ask that question say when he say oni bullet a date according to Nana Romeo so no say interview of we say no interview it doesn't have any formula bibia timi ba but ngofo so say or stress it too much on a bulleted date, and I was saying of go na bibia ededin. No, I'm saying Nana Romeo also we be maybe also say my pay obejina Johnson na wo twen me na a whole lot man be try some coming at Nana Romeo because when treaty when he say ye and Nana Romeo the other two just say oh no dear oh no yensa no ensa onim nom we are onim nom jota onim nom enti ne de okasa onim ma pede a no oboa because onye Roman father onim ma pepa yenye oba lie de enye me na make on Nana Romeo nanum to no okase onim ma pe ye mu bi say de ya no monwumu nana enti emi say ye beto achew na kakra wase ye kakra se na be ya yeso ye betimi enya vibes ne ene ma ne din komo a yetimi aka bi because ya no monwum ti oso ni onim ma pe enti say wo hu ni audio bi na wate ni audio bi e ampa ono a because ye nsa no enti oti audio bi e ono a ana Shatta Wale so Nana Romeo enjoy the oye ho na ono obese Nana Romeo no interview no so oye concert or no obi hu say ye ono Shatta Wale no he dey pa we no so ye twen say sa interview bi say nke beba so kama Nana Romeo ene Shatta Wale so Shatta be late ana Nana Romeo be biza question na Shatta mbe so be yi ano Nana Romeo so what evidence aha oni bullet there no say also evidence evidence will be to me approve and then go for someone to say it's no important say oh be evidence now chenchina on caso mu date dia or no so say it's shown and then the manager no mu date ni ebi so mo a yeneti sana edidi omo ho a say it's shown on na mo nyina no oblidi condition no oblidi ontimi kan che Ghana for because what he can deny say omun date but wo one ho na dodo no na no aba abonte ka say Ghana foi me manager na me no ehhehhe ho so you can imagine ti o na Romeo so questions obisa so I mean or nkana kwan so anu because me I don't see anything wrong with that if say when him so obey answer I think it's cool but I don't see anything wrong. Say, oh, bisa. It's cool question to ask. Of which obia per se bia obi hu answer. Either way bia no. Obia de also ye bia no. I don't know whether I would say so be a boni and obi anya boni because to me I don't see any wrong with what Nana Romeo ebisa when the say no. When he says no, but say bia na ne bo because or no. When him say 2 years in the game no we pass it through a lot kofo bebre atan ani nti when him say enka now all free side journey no na kofo say oh when the buy no bebre cracker say wontimi o but watimi aye then kofo bebre ntimi nye no watimi aye of which obo best female musicians currently o bi no ti ono no feel say nka yemfa eno hoahoa no na yem promoting nyum ti no mpese ono so ebe react anything be go overboard into no I'm so sorry I think so obia ye also ye and say on person almost sorry issue now I think Nana Romeo have to say sorry and Wendy also have to say sorry na asem fa na asem ko etu training baby da Poleeno Multimedia nti say on subscribe to channel we na click the subscription button and click the bell notification. There's be anytime be post a video you get it straight. Go Instagram, follow Poleeno_com.